This is Earth, our home planet, where everything we have ever known is located. But have you ever wondered how small our world is compared to the entire universe? Let us start by looking at our nearest cosmic neighbor, the Moon. It might seem close because it dominates our night skies, but that is merely an illusion. In reality, the Moon is about 384,400 kilometers away from our planet on average.
If you drove a car at a constant speed, it would take 160 days to travel that distance.
Despite the distance, 12 humans have set foot on the Moon, representing our greatest achievement. This is what Earth looks like from there, a small blue marble in the dark. Sending a message back home would take 2.5 seconds at the speed of light. This photo was taken from Mars, and that tiny dot is actually the Earth. On average, Mars is 225 million kilometers away from Earth, but it can be much further. Landing a human here would be 986 times further than the distance to the Moon. Communication would take 20 minutes each way, making instant dialogue impossible for any emergency. Zooming out further, we find the Voyager 1 probe, the furthest man-made object from Earth. It is currently 138 astronomical units from the Earth, measuring the distance to the Sun. This means Voyager 1 is 138 times further away from us than the Sun. Voyager 1 turned its camera back to take this photograph, the greatest in human history. That tiny pale blue dot is Earth, as Carl Sagan once beautifully described.
If you look at it, you see a dot. That is here, that is home, that is us. On it, everyone you ever heard of. Every human being who ever lived out their lives.
The aggregate of all our joys and sufferings, thousands of confident religions and ideologies. Every hunter and forager, every hero and coward, every creator and destroyer of civilizations.
Every king and every peasant, every young couple in love, every hopeful child.
Every mother and every father, every inventor and explorer, every teacher of morals, every corrupt politician, every superstar, every supreme leader, every saint and sinner in history
Lived there, on a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam.
Voyager 1 is traveling at 17 kilometers every single second, yet it won't leave our system for 30,000 years. Beyond our solar system, we arrive in our interstellar neighborhood, measured in light years. Proxima Centauri is the closest star to us, but it is still 4.24 light years away. If it were heading in the right direction, it would still take over 70,000 years to reach it. Driving at 100 kilometers an hour would take 6 times longer than the age of the universe. Zooming out further, we see the entire Milky Way, inside of which Earth is located. This yellow dot is the furthest extent of humanity's radio broadcasts throughout history.
The galaxy spans over 100,000 light-years from end to end, with over 100 billion stars.
But we have never seen the full glory of the galaxy, because 99% of visible stars are nearby. Zooming out, we arrive at the local group, a collection of 54 different galaxies. Then we see the Virgo supercluster, of which the local group is just a tiny segment. The massive Virgo supercluster is just a small lobe of the great Laniakea supercluster. We can zoom out to the entire observable universe, where Laniakea is just a tiny part. The observable universe contains at least 2 trillion different galaxies.
Together, they contain more stars than there are grains of sand on all of Earth.
The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across, which is truly mind-numbing. But what lies beyond the observable universe is perhaps even more interesting. Some parts of space are expanding away from us faster than the speed of light. Meaning there will always be an unknown number of places we will never see. The observable universe is just a tiny slice of what could be the entire universe.
According to the theory of cosmic inflation, the universe began at a fraction of a second.
This suggests that the entire universe is 150 sextillion times larger than the observable universe. Imagine the entire observable universe was just the size of this light bulb. But in reality, the entire universe is larger than the former planet of Pluto. We are all so unbelievably small, but that means there is so much left to discover. The journey of discovery is just beginning for humanity in this vast expanse. Every night, we look up and wonder about the mysteries that lie beyond our reach. The expansion of the universe continues to reveal new, unimaginable wonders to us. Each galaxy holds secrets that could change our understanding of everything we know. We are part of this grand cosmic story, small but significant in our curiosity. Our place in the universe is a reminder of our shared humanity and connection. There is always more to explore, more to learn, and more to understand together. Our curiosity drives us to look beyond the horizon and into the unknown. We are just beginning to grasp the scale of the universe we live in. The beauty of the cosmos is a testament to the wonders of nature. Every star, every planet, and every galaxy is a part of this vast story. We will continue to explore, to learn, and to grow as a species. The universe is waiting for us to discover its many hidden secrets. Keep looking up and never stop asking questions about our place here.